Hi guys, look what I just found on Flying Upload. I'm so excited. Okay, so you know how I'm always talking about not making your titles too long because there's certain websites that don't let you have longer titles, and I can never remember which one it is. Well, anyways, I just found this text shortening feature that I had not clicked. So I'm going to click that so that the next time Flying Upload tries to upload something into a website that is too long, it'll just automatically do it and shorten the text, which is much easier to go back and edit the text than to not have your design uploaded. So that's super cool. And now I also just looked here and saw that there's these settings: fast, medium, and slow. Well, that's really interesting because in general, you want to have your things uploaded more slowly because the systems tend to like it better if you don't throw a bunch of things in there too fast. So I'm going to click slow. So those are two things that I just changed on my Flying Upload, which might make my life a lot easier. We shall see how that goes. Talk soon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Take care. Bye.